today, guys, we have a new recipe. I hope it's good. Gluten-free shrimp tacos. Everything's from Cheddar Joe's. You guys saw the recipe. Guess we can start eating.
Yeah, let's start.
Good. Yeah.
So,
first we'll eat, then we can say how our day. Tacos. So I hope it's good. How was it? These are almond.
This is good.
Almond fried tortillas. The shrimp's not bad. It was kind of pricey. $12, 12, 13 bucks for the shrimp. And I used the whole bag. But
Well, shrimp is generally pricey.
yeah, they sell a bag of shrimp at it's small at Walmart for like $5 or $6. But this Cheddar Joe's usually has some really good shrimp. I mean, obviously, always not too spicy.
Oh, this is perfect.
Guacamole that they from Cheddar Joe's is a little spicy, but probably with everything else not too spicy. It's good.
So, what was the newest? What was the newest movie you seen?
I haven't seen any movies. I saw a TV show
What is it?
on Netflix. It's called Adolescence.
No.
It's kind of dark.
Okay.
A dark show.
I'll tell you what I saw. I just recently, this is my first time watching these movies. I recently just saw all the Die Hard movies, and they're good.
Die Hard?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not bad. I'm not big on action movies, but not bad. The coleslaw makes it so good. So good.
I think my favorite is the third one.
Really?
Because it's like a partner movie. Like the other two were like just solo movies.
That's good.
I forget. Yeah. So something funny I find is the people in the third Die Hard, the two partners. I don't know their names. I don't know their names, but they're in another movie before that. Have you seen the third Die Hard film?
I can't remember. I'm not big on Die Hard, so I'm not really sure. Yeah. Not sure.
You remember Pulp Fiction, right?
Yes.
Okay. We all know Samuel Jackson's in it, and you remember the boxer, right?
Mm-hmm.
They were partners in the third one.
Really?
It's interesting seeing them in the same movie, but like different rules.
Really? So you're back at the concert job?
I'm back, yeah. My first paying day was on just like Saturday. So
I thought you missed the orientation.
Me too.
Oh, what happened? Did they email you or something, or call you?
They emailed me, yeah.
Good. I love the coleslaw. Now recipe on TikTok. She didn't use any mayonnaise on the coleslaw, and people are like, "You gotta use mayonnaise or lime or something." Or
Yeah.
it's really good though. And you're a big shrimp person, right? You like shrimp? Yeah. So you still want a second job, right? Besides the cover job?
I'm up for it. Anyone is hiring. I'll apply. Just tell me which place. I'll apply. I may not seem like a good worker, but I get the job done.
What? What did you say?
I may not seem like a good worker, but I get the job done.
Really? So I ask them a few questions, like any place you want to travel to, or what would you do if you travel? For me, Hawaii.
I want to travel somewhere? I mean, I would like to go to Disney World, but it's so much money. Like, if we're not counting the money, that's where I would like to go.
It's expensive. You ever been there?
No, I've been to Disneyland, but not Disney World.
Okay.
So we're talking like anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere.
Yeah, so that'll be a fun place. I think places I can't really go to, like I don't know where else. No, I don't know. This is where I want to travel.
Okay. Me, Hawaii.
Why Hawaii?
I've been there 3 times and I love it. And I'm a big beach person. It's very peaceful and quiet, and I feel like it's a healing place.
I'm not a beach person, but
You're not?
I used to, but I'm not. I don't.
Also, I'm really craving to go to Lake Tahoe, like a road trip. Either just for the day or maybe rent a cabin.
I go there like twice a year. Like,
one of my coworkers, he rented a cabin like on this lake beach or something, and it looked really amazing. So, yeah.
That other place I might want to travel. It's kind of dangerous, but I might want to go to the jungle, see how it's like.
Really?
Yeah. That's another place that might be cool. There's like fresh air and everything in there.
That's cool.
But yeah, I'm just thinking places like I can't really travel. Like, what were the other questions?
What would you do if you won the lottery?
How big are we talking?
That's a question. I'm thinking, how much is the lottery? I'm going to say probably $1 million or more.
See, well, I'll probably just save it, honestly.
Is it really? Oh.
Yeah, I mean, save it and talking for the house.
Would you get a new house though?
No, because I won't be able to pay the bills on it.
For $1 million? Really?
Houses are expensive. They're not cheap.
Well, it depends what kind of house you're going to get. You can get a mobile home in this area for around $100,000, so that's not too expensive.
Yeah.
Well, not a nice house. Well, $1 million or more. It could be $5 million, $20 million.
Okay, we're talking about a lot of money. I'll just buy a house. If I
won the lottery, let's say I won $7 million, I would probably buy a couple of houses. And
a couple?
Well, they take half off. So taxes, they take like half, so it's like around 3 or 3.2 million. Or I know it's like half or something, so you won't get the all 7 million. So
why did they take half?
good question. You have to Google that afterwards.
Were they greedy?
I guess. Well, if you work, they take taxes out. I mean, like if you get money and you work, like you have to like pay taxes every time you work. So just assuming you have to pay. But
the government is the villain in this universe. That's how I see it.
Yeah, so if I won the lottery, like say 7 million, I would buy a couple. I would love to work less. That's what I would do. Buy a couple houses, rent them out.
How would you buy a couple?
What do you mean?
This
What do you mean?
okay, here's what I would do. I would buy one house, save the rest of the money, and like just save it. Just save it. Like if I just think about it, like see, grandmother, your mom, like if she was in if she was in real pain and she needed a lot of money for her to be kept alive, that would be a good time. But you wouldn't have enough money. You would buy too much houses.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So.
Well, some people win 300 million, 500 million. So that's what do you do? What do you do if you win? What do you do if you win 500 million? What do you do then?
500 million? Oh, they're the same thing.
Rolling. Dead.
The same numbers. You never know.
No new car.
I might get a new car. I might do that.
Speaking of car, what kind of car you want?
Car. I want a basic car. Like, I don't know, like a gray car.
A gray car? You like
Black
gray?
White car. Oh, white car. That's what I like.
Okay.
Nah, I have a white. Not for a car. White is my favorite color, but
Yeah.
I wouldn't like it for a car. Because like white stains get everywhere. It's too noticeable. I'll probably like a black car. Yeah, for a car.
A Ford?
What?
You said Ford car?
Black car.
Oh, black car. Well, black is a good color for cars.
Yeah.
I have a red car, but I don't really like the color red too much.
Yeah.
It's so bright.
I wouldn't like have a red car. I'm not a fan of color cars. I just want one.
Yeah. When I was younger, I liked Trans Am. I don't know why.
What?
When I was younger, I liked Trans Am. I don't know why.
I don't care what kind of brand new car I have. I don't know a whole lot about cars.
My first car was a orange car. It was not the best car looking. I forgot what I can't remember what car, Dodge or something. I don't know. It's just a cheap brown orange color car.
Yeah.
And my dad paid for maybe $2,000 or something. Not that much, but that was way back in the day. But yeah, I guess a starter car is good for you. Nothing too fancy.
Yeah.
Or then you work your way up.
Wait, what?
Where you work your way up.
Yeah, we're probably up.
Yeah, once you start making more money, you can get, if you want, to afford more fancy things.
Maybe.
But it looks like you don't run into the fancy stuff.
Right.
Not everybody does. Some people just want to save money, and that's
Yeah.
the rich people. That's what they do. They don't get the fancy stuff because that's how they're rich. They know how to save money.
Yeah.
So
I'm raised that way.
that's good. Well, anyways, I'm full. Are you full?
Yeah.
I'm so full. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Did you like the tacos?
I did.
I thought they're pretty good.
Yeah.
I like the cabbage. That's my favorite part. It was pretty good. I would make them again, although they're not super affordable. Like the shrimp was $12. The guacamole was $5. I'm not sure how much the tortillas were. Then what else do we have? Oh, the coleslaw. Oh, coleslaw. Yeah. I don't know if it was like a very affordable, but it was very easy to make. It's pretty easy to make.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know what we'll do next or we're gonna eat next, so we'll just have to figure it out. Gluten-free, guys. Gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you next video. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.